Today we're going to talk about tennis elbow, golfer's elbow, scientifically known as lateral epicondylitis and medial epicondylitis. These are your epicondyles of your forearm. The ligaments and tendons that go across get inflamed from overuse. They call it golfer's elbow or lateral epicondylitis. From this swing, you'll get it here. And tennis elbow, from doing that swing with the racket, you'll get it here. It's an overuse syndrome. The tendon becomes inflamed, you get an ache, it doesn't go away. Well, what do we do to treat that? Well, the first thing we would do is you want to get ice. You want to ice it for 10 or 20 minutes. That'll help with the inflammation. If it becomes more chronic and it doesn't go away, you can buy a sleeve that you stick in the freezer. Makes it easy to put it on after you work out or whenever it's bothering you at night for 20 minutes. Now, if that doesn't help, what we have for treatment to get you to help you with the pain and discomfort is you got to get a tennis elbow brace. It's a round band that goes around this part of your forearm right here, and what it does is it squeezes and puts pressure here, and that takes the pressure off the ligament here and the tendons here, and it allows it to relax and heal. Now, if it becomes chronic and the pain persists, now we have to look at ways of treating it. So one of the things you could do in the chiropractor's office or the physical therapy's office is you do scraping. Scraping is a tool where we put some lotion on here. All right, put a little lotion on the area so there's no friction on the skin, and you take the scraping tool and you scrape over the painful area of the tendon, and that scraping tool causes an inflammatory reaction which brings the oxygenated blood cells into the area, and that promotes the healing of the ligament and tendon. The scraping will make the skin all red and it'll look horrible, but it does promote the healing there. If the scraping and the ice doesn't help to deal with the pain, we have sprays. This Cryotherapy spray has arnica in it, which helps with strains and sprains and things with the joints. So we can spray that on there, rub that in. It's a nice cool feeling, and that helps with the discomfort. And again, lastly, now we move into some other areas. We have ultrasound. Ultrasound waves will deep heat the area. It will deep heat the tendon in the ligament, and that'll help with the healing, get the blood flowing in there. That's very good. It feels good. Worst case scenario, if the pain is not going away, we move into shockwave therapy, where the shock of the ultrasound shock of the percussion of this instrument gets in there around the surrounding muscle tissue and causes the body's healing reaction to help with that. Now, how can you prevent this, or once you have it to go away, is we have exercises. You can do finger extension, which is real important because extension is what works that area of the muscle. So they sell all sorts of little gadgets on Amazon for $5 or $6 or $7, and they're not expensive at all. And what happens is you can get on here and then you just work extension. Bring your fingers up. And as I'm doing this, and you want to do sets 20, 30, you just want to keep going till it's fatigued and keeps going. You'll feel it all through in here. And you'll feel that burn. And that's strengthening the area, and that'll help you for preventing this from happening in the future, so that you can go out and you can do your golf swing, or you can do your tennis racket swing this way. So that's for golfer's elbow, tennis elbow, lateral epicondylitis, medial epicondylitis. We call that elbow tendonitis. And that's Dr. J's Video Health Tip of the Week.